call it Swazi Soul and Afropop. It's more soulful, and I sing in Siswati language, so that's why I said, okay, it's Swazi Soul and Afropop.
Jazila milele siliva, maltola ngemali. 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 Bumbela, bumbela westini, bumbela, bumbela westini. Ufuni Jospe, itanga libole lekishi, magagalifun, ufuni Jospe, itanga libole lekishi, magagalifun, ufuni Jospe.
It's emotional music. It's all about telling a story or motivating somebody or empowering somebody. Talk about poverty, talk about HIV and AIDS. And also it talk about the real life that Swazi people are experiencing. It's because I believe that if you're a musician, you are there to be a messenger, you know, to talk about things and put them openly, you know, to people so that they know what's going on around us.
Mabele kufa ufangila sana zem lengwane abula tingwa timbili ya mabele kufa ufangila sana zem lengwane abula tingwa timbili ya mabele kufa ufangila sana zem lengwane abula
My main aim in the music industry, like as I said, is to empower people and find ways of how we can help our own people as Africans to survive and overcome poverty and create job opportunities in terms of arts. I want to do the best when it comes to Swaziland to open up an arts center, which we don't have at the moment in Swaziland, through the help of other musicians.